Hi, this is the new Exalta oxygen concentrator, which is having a LED display here and having two lights and the power switch. Okay, so we are just putting it on. You can plug it in and then put it on. So just to show you. So this is welcome green, and then basically it shows low water level. Okay, now when you get the unit, there is no water inside, so you have to open these screws. There are two screws, so you open them. We have kept it loose for demo. So just open these screws. They are pretty long screws, and then inside you will see the machine like this. So in this you have to first open this bottle. See, this is the hydration bottle. Just open this, unscrew it, and then you have to pour little bit of distilled water in this, which we have supplied along with it. Hardly about this much. Okay? Very little. And then you put this pipe back inside, and then you have to screw it back. Screw it back. Just ensure that this pipe is dipped in the water. Okay, this pipe is dipped in the water. This is the only precaution you have to take. Then this is the first step. Now you can close the machine and you can open this knob. Now you have to prepare the water which has to be put inside it. Now for that we have supplied you with 1 liter, or you have to take half a liter of distilled water. This is half liter. So this is half liter of distilled water. So take half liter of distilled water, and we have supplied you with this KOH bottle. So you have to take 15 grams. This is approximately half of this cap. Half. Okay. 15 grams of KOH. You have to put in half a liter of water. And shake it well. It will get slightly hot. Shake it well till the entire salt is dissolved. So after you have prepared this water, now just put it inside very slowly. So now we have poured in the full half a liter of water inside the machine. Okay, you have to pour in very slowly so that it doesn't spill over inside. After that you have to put this cap back, but one very important precaution: don't tighten this screw. Just keep it loose, because air is being taken from this port also. So please don't tighten it. Keep it loose. Now your machine is ready. Just check it once, and just for your record, there is an outlet valve provided here. See, this is for draining the water, which we'll tell you later on. It is nothing required as of now. It is ready to start. So now just switch on the machine, and you can feel the oxygen coming out of this port. This is the oxygen outlet port. Here we have provided you with a mask. All you have to do is connect this mask to this port, and then the oxygen will start flowing from here. Okay, so it is very simple operation, and this is the way this works. One more thing: when the machine is working, it will show that output supply is okay. Okay, all the parameters it will display on the, and it will also show that the water level is okay now. Now the output supply is okay, and also that basically the oxygen flow is 8 lpm at 5 psi.